Hello guys, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. So in this special episode ng video na to, I'm gonna teach you on how to request a refund from Canva Pro that was accidentally purchased and charged in your credit card or your financial account. So here is what you're gonna do, guys. What you're gonna do is on this page, I'll put the link on the page. You need to scroll down, then find this one, contact us for help, request for a refund. So just need to click this one, then a chat bot will appear. So you just need to follow the steps, and after that, make a valid reason why you need to have a refund from your plan that was already purchased. And shortly you'll receive an email like this one. So as you can see, we've canceled your subscription pro, so you won't be charged for renewals. So Canva Pros technically are non-refundable as stated in the below section for term of use. So since for their courtesy, so it depends on your reasoning power, guys. So we have processed a 593 refund to your card, so it will be refunded 10 to 20 days, so before it will reflect to your bank card or card statement. So that's all, guys. That's very simple. You just need to follow the steps. You just need to create a ticket and request for a refund. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and you can also share this one to help someone who needs to have a solution for this problem. Thank you so much and have a good day.